In this video, we will show you how to make groups of design parts and why this is useful for the designing process. When working with designs that have too many parts, it is helpful to be able to manage sections of them together. This is where group functionality comes in. Take, for example, this parrot. It is not very easy to select him and transform him to fit better into this design. Now, let's see how grouping works. Select all the parts of the parrot, right-click, and use Group option. You can also use the combination of Ctrl and G from your keyboard to access the Group option. Now, if you click on any of the design's parts, the whole group is selected. So you can move it, scale it, rotate it, or anything you like. Each parts may have multiple stitch types, yet they remain as is. The same goes for these leaves. If you group them, you can easily apply a new color, for example. At any point, you can add objects to any group. Select them together with a group and regroup them. Likewise, you can group multiple groups. This is one group. This is another group. At this point, I need to mention that you can easily align those groups, for example, center horizontally. Now, if you select both groups and group them once more, they all form a new group now. Of course, you can separate any group into its sub-items anytime. If the group consists of other groups, it will break into subgroups. Then you can ungroup each group into its sub-items separately. Laying out groups of objects is much easier than laying out individual objects.